We are back again. Yes, back with the fourth Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, still Friday, September the 25th, 2020, and this 4 stars Sudoku, yes, will be number 1617. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Previous Sudoku as 25. This one, I think 24. Let me check. 3, 3, 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 15, 18, 20, plus 4 is equal to 24. Correct. So let's get started. Let me scan this. Scan. I see here one number 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. How about in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. That means we have a 7 in this column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. We see a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes in the first row. We have a 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the number? The number. I'm thinking. How about yeah, I need pairs. The 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. And digit number 2. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. How about what happened with the 2? What happened with the 2? Yes, we have a 2 in this column, the first column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Then 1, 3. All right. I see 2 missing numbers in this row. 2 missing numbers here, missing number here, missing number. Those numbers are the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and a 5 goes here. 6 and 3. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. Can I do this? No. Let me mark them for you first. 6 and 4. These two numbers in this column, the missing numbers here, the 6 and 3, 6 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1. Alright. Let me think first. These two numbers in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 7, that means 1 digit left in the, not 1 digit, 2 digits. Yes, 2 digits, 6 and a 4. This should be 6 and a 4. And look, we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 digits left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and 6, I need to mark them. These two numbers in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in and that column. So middle column, only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. How about 2 numbers left in the third row? Those numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 5. And now 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 7. One number left in this middle row for the number 4. One number left in this big square for the number 7. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 Sudokus, 2 tectonics and 2 binaries. So see you later. Bye bye for now.